Today I am discussing about cardboard lounger. As you can see in this video, this spring I taught a system and I taught a course at an art center of the south side of Chicago. LBP also runs a character school called Options Laboratory where young men and women can get an arts and technology based high school curriculum. 9 young men participated in after a few classes understanding the basic mechanics of power tools, ergonomics, the dimensions of the human body, material characteristic, and the story they wanted to tell through their chair design, we settled on a hybrid cardboard plywood form. The cardboard as paper represented their scholarship as students. This prototype was one of the three proposed, the other two having mirrored single arms so that the ground and group of three chairs could be pushed. A comfortable long slung plywood frame cradles a soft inviting cardboard seating surface made of. We were in a bit of hurry at the end of the semester, but with a little more care, no one could also plug the screws with dowels, paint the frame or make also aesthetic improvements. The end result is great to sit in, remarkably cheap and easy to put together with basic tools. While we did a chop saw, you will need these tools: circular saw, chop saw, table saw, hand saw, drill, drywall, box cutter, paintbrush. Step 1, cardboarding. As you can see in this video, the first thing we need at the beginning of each class was glue up the batch of cardboard so that it would be dry and ready to cut it up. And next class, my recipe for white paste is simple. Part flour of the 16 parts, and this may be little thin compared of the system, and it can be easily used by the system. Step 2, framing. As you can see in this video, and we use constructions and some constructible system for the system, and use a pencil to lay out the of the chair. We made the seat start at 16 inches of the ground, dropping 1 inch from the front of the bag. It is 20-inch long. The bag goes up about 18 inches. We started at 90 degrees of the seat. Step 3, assembly. To assemble the frame, screw and glue the legs to the inside of the frame. Use 1 by 1 4-inch screw to nothing pokes through. Use 2-inch screws to put 1 and 2 strips bracing of the system in the using, and use 2 screws to put them in the bracing frames. Put a dab of glue on each joint as well. The bottom of stripes should be aligned with the bottom of the seat of frame back. Uses 2 screws per strip per drilling. Put the cardboard stripes in either as a block if you have pre-laminated with white paste and wheat paste, or 1 or 2 putting system. As you can see in this video, it was good. Thanks for watching this.